In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot find your camera error 0xA00F4244 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So guys, how to fix this camera problem? In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click here start button and click here setting option and find here option privacy and click here and find here camera and if this option is disabled here, turn on it. Okay, and if this option is disabled here, on it. Now we are going for next method. Right click here start button and click here setting option and click here apps, and after that guys, find here camera in this list. Click on it and click here advanced option, and guys here terminate and reset. So we reset here our camera. Click here reset. So guys, our camera setting will reset here. Close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here setting option. Click here privacy option and after that guys, find here camera and if this option is disabled here, on it. Allow desktop app to access your camera. Close this window. Now open Explorer and right click on it and click here manage option. And after that guys, click here device manager option and find here camera. You can see here, right click on it and if this option is disabled here, enable it. So your icon will change here. You can see here, right click on it and click here update driver and select this second option. Let me pick, select here and select your driver and click next. So guys, driver will get updated here. Now close this window and we are going for next method. Open Windows Explorer, right click on it and click here manage and guys, click here device manager option and find here again camera and right click on it, this driver and uninstall this device. Uninstall. And after that guys, you can see here there are no camera option and click here this icon, scan for hardware changes. You can see here your camera driver will reinstalled here. Now close this window and check your problem is fixed here or not. Now click here start button and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, check your problem is fixed here or not. Right click here start button and click here device manager. Click here camera and you can see here there are a camera option. If there are no camera option here, please reinstall the camera driver on your PC, because if there are no camera option, your camera driver will not install even in your Windows. So reinstall your driver. Now click here search and click here camera option and check your problem is fixed here or not. Click here yes and click here yes. Now click here yes. So guys, you can see here your problem is fixed here. Okay. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.